Here I have VIVO Y55L, and let me show you how to enter here the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Now let's press the power key for a few seconds. Let's wait until the Android logo disappears, and then you have to start holding volume down. So let's be prepared. Start holding volume down. And you are now in a safe mode. So you can unlock your device and check out how your device works in a safe mode, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. If you would like to quit this mode, let's press power key for a few seconds. Choose here reboot and wait until the device boots into the normal mode. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.